It's time to play the music, it's time to light the lights. It's time to see Napoleon on Napoleon Show tonight. It's time for domination, it's time for worldwide fright. It's time for new world orders on Napoleon Show tonight. Prepare to meet the monarch, the one we love and know. Offensive jokes are on the way to Twitter on your phone. But now let's get things started on the most sensational, dominational, constipational, improvisational. This is what we call Napoleon Show. I hate all of you. I hate all of you.